talking full-blown microwaving the meats, honey. So we're going to take a look at some of these. I'll do it, honey. It's not a whole chicken, honey, up in the microwave.
Okay, so today we're going to do a whole chicken in the microwave. So first you get your bird. And this looks kind of offensive, but what I did was I just rinsed the bird.
It looks really more than offensive. And go get the $5 chicken from Costco. It's going to taste so much better, and you can use it in so many different recipes. Don't do this. Want to cover it in salt because it's not going to get dry enough in the microwave. Technically, she's assaulting us for making us watch this.
John.
But she's got more salt on the table.
Throw salt in. So they didn't want to be touching the chicken and then touching the bottle of oyster sauce.
Smart. She's massaging that like it's a little kid getting a bang out, honey.
We want the chicken to turn brown. Yeah, so we learned that we eat with our eyes.
If we eat with our eyes, then why the hell are you cooking a chicken in the microwave, honey? And it looks like she's in a school setting. I hope she's not teaching the girls to cook this way.
So you're gonna make sure you rub the inside.
Why is she clean? I mean, she is moistening that thing down like it is going in there. You can see its turkey chicken John. Look at its little chicken John lips down there, y'all. Y'all, look at it. You ain't gonna stand that, honey. She's about to gay bathhouse that thing, honey.
Stand it up.
Oh, Lord.
On top of the coal.
Oh, my God.
On top of the coal. Top of the coal. Yeah.
That's offensive too.
Yeah.
That's very offensive, honey. I tell you one thing though, I normally don't shame nobody. But that chicken, obviously, before that chicken, listen, I'm sad. If you're vegetarian in the chat, like the video. But I'm just being honest. I'm sad that the chicken died. I like chicken, but I'm sad the chicken lost its life. But honey, one thing we've got to remember, we have got to stand strong. That chicken had when that chicken was alive, that chicken had a life, honey. That chicken got around, honey. That chicken had a good life. Because, honey, that thing popped on there with ease, honey. That chicken,
on top of the coal.
That chicken died getting around. 35 minutes in an 800-watt microwave. Can someone do the quick math on how much power that is? It's like a garden hose. Well, you know what? That garden hose water back in the day was pretty good, though. Can we be honest? We've all been there. Oh, Let it cook. Let it cook. Oh.
It comes apart.
Oh, it's chicken butt plug still in it. It's got its little chicken. It broke the butt plug off. It broke the butt plug off. She cooked it so long and that butt plug came off.
It comes apart.
Oh my God.
Oh.
It's a little obscene. It's a little obscene.
It's a goatsy chicken.
It's a little obscene.
I can't.
Oh. So we're going to take out the
It's a little obscene.
take out the.
She's doing this in her job. This can be considered sexual harassment.
So we're going to take out the.
It's a little obscene.
I can't.
To take out the.
It's a little obscene. It's a little obscene.
It's the little turd for me when they pull it out. It's the little turd. Oh, Heavenly Father, forgive me for we have sinned. I mean, I feel so. Do you pay it? Do you put, where do you put the money? On the chicken dresser? Can we get little high heels? Can we get a little high heel right here? Can we? Was a working girl, you know. Oh, Oh, girl, look how hard it is. She can't even cut it, honey. And remember, share, like, and subscribe.